everybody, welcome back to my channel EVV. Today we will discuss about the black fungus. The all details we will give in just one video. In this video we will discuss what is black fungus, from where it is originated and which things causes it and how we will prevent ourselves from it. And also in this video we will discuss about the symptoms of black fungus, and it is also known as mucormycosis. So let's get started today's video. So here is the first question arises that what is mucormycosis? So mucormycosis is also known as black fungus. Mucormycosis is a type of fungal infection. It's relatively rare but also very serious, formerly known as zygomycosis. This infection tends to occur most often if you have weakened immunity from an illness or the health condition, so it's important to get treatment. If mucormycosis left untreated, then it can be fatal. इसका मतलब जो म्यूकोरमाइकोसिस है वो एक टाइप का फंगल इन्फेक्शन है जो बहुत ही रेयरली होता है, लेकिन ये बहुत ज़्यादा सीरियस होता है। ये इन्फेक्शन हमें तब होता है जब हमारी इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम बहुत ही लो हो और हम हाल ही में किसी बीमारी से ठीक हुए हों। इसका इलाज बहुत ज़रूरी है, और अगर हम इसका इलाज ना करवाएं तो म्यूकोरमाइकोसिस से किसी भी व्यक्ति की आसानी से मौत हो सकती है। So इसलिए it's very important to get treatment of it as fast as you can. So now we will discuss about the symptoms of mucormycosis. Mucormycosis presents itself as either a respiratory or a skin infection. हमें सांस लेने में तकलीफ़ होगी और हमारे स्किन पे भी इसका इन्फेक्शन देखा जा सकता है. So here we will discuss about the signs related to sinus or respiratory infection. So here we go. So it may include cough, खांसी, fever, बुखार, headache, सर दर्द, nasal congestion and sinus pain. With a skin infection, mucormycosis can develop within any part of your body. It may initially occur at the site of skin derma, but it can quickly spread to another area. इसका मतलब ये है कि ये हमारी बॉडी के किसी भी पार्ट में फैल सकता है. Be on the lookout for the symptoms such as blackened skin tissue, blisters, fever, redness and swelling, and also we can see in this the tenderness. What causes mucormycosis? Mucormycosis is caused by exposure to mucormyate molds. So these organisms occur in black fungus का कारण एक्सपोजर है म्यूकोरमाइट मोल्ड्स का एनवायरनमेंट में. ये जीव पाए जाते हैं in leaves, piles of compost, soil and rotting wood. You can contract mucormycosis by breathing in affected mold spores in the air. मतलब कि आप इसको इनहेल कर सकते हैं through the affected mold spores जो एयर में हैं. So this is referred to as a sinus pulmonary exposure. So in turn, you may develop the infection in your some parts of the body such as central nervous system, eyes, face, lungs and sinuses. The fungus can also infect your skin by a cut. In such cases, the wound or one ends up becoming the area of infection. मतलब ये कि ये हमारी स्किन को कट के थ्रू इन्फेक्ट कर सकता है, और घाव वाली जगह और जिधर भी हमें चोट लगी है वो इन द लास्ट वो एरिया ऑफ इन्फेक्शन बन जाएगी. Everyone will not get the fungal infection. You may be at an increased risk of contracting this type of infection if you have a weakened immune system. मतलब हर किसी को ये फंगल इन्फेक्शन नहीं हो जाएगा. अगर आपको ये फंगल इन्फेक्शन होता है तो इसके पीछे ये कारण होगा कि आपका इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम वीक है. सो कंडीशन दैट मे इंक्रीज योर रिस्क इंक्लूड such as burns, cuts or scrapes, cancer, recent organ transplant, HIV or AIDS. It is related to immune system and diabetes, especially if it's not being treated properly. मतलब कि आपका इलाज जो है वो सही तरीके से नहीं हो रहा है because it is a food source for the virus and surgery. So how is mucormycosis diagnosed? People who have mucormycosis often don't know they have it. मतलब उन लोगों को ये पता ही नहीं होता कि उनको mucormycosis है. You may get diagnosed with the condition upon going to the doctor for a lung, sinus or skin infection. You should see your doctor for any type of suspected infection. Mucormycosis is diagnosed by looking at a tissue sample in the lab. Your doctor may collect a sample of nasal discharge if you have a suspected sinus infection. In the case of a skin infection, your doctor may also clean the bounded area. Can mucormycosis cause other conditions to develop? Mucormycosis is particularly dangerous because it spreads quickly throughout the body. Left untreated, the infection can spread to the lungs or brain, and this can cause many severe conditions. For example, it can cause a brain infection, paralysis, pneumonia, seizures, and it can lead to death. How is mucormycosis treated? The first step in treating mucormycosis are receiving intravenous antifungal medications and also having surgical debridement. It involves cutting away all infected tissue. Removing infected tissue has been shown to prevent the infection from spreading further. अगर हम उस इन्फेक्टेड टिश्यू को ही कट कर देंगे, उस टिश्यू को रिमूव कर देंगे, तो जो है ये इन्फेक्शन जो है आगे नहीं फैलेगा और वहीं पे ख़त्म हो जाएगा. Respondable to the IV therapy and tissue removal, your doctor will likely remove your IV and give you oral medications to take. Common antifungal medication that your doctor may prescribe for the mucormycosis includes amphotericin B, posaconazole, isavuconazole. What is the outlook for mucormycosis? The chances for mucormycosis recovery depend greatly on early diagnosis and treatment. The infection has the potential to spread throughout the body. Death is a possibility with this type of severe infection. रिकवरी के हाई चांसेस हैं इस इन्फेक्शन में अगर इसको आप जल्दी ही डायग्नोज कर लेते हैं और इसकी अच्छे से ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं. ये इन्फेक्शन जो है वो पूरी बॉडी में फैलता है और इट कैन ऑल्सो लीड टू डेथ. इससे किसी व्यक्ति की मृत्यु भी निश्चित है. However, mucormycosis is relatively rare. ये इन्फेक्शन जो है बहुत ही रेयर है, मतलब बहुत ही कम लोगों को ये इन्फेक्शन होता है जिनका इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम जो है वो वीक होता है और वो हाल ही में ठीक हुए होते हैं. To be on the safe side, you should always have your doctor evaluate any suspected form of infection to rule out such serious underlying causes. हमें तुरंत ही डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करना चाहिए अगर हमें कोई भी सिम्टम हमारी बॉडी में दिखता है, वो भी जल्दी से जल्दी कंसल्ट करना चाहिए. Is it possible to prevent a mucormycosis infection? Mucormycosis is not contagious, so you can't get it from an infected person. मतलब ये बीमारी एक व्यक्ति से दूसरे व्यक्ति में नहीं फैलती. So the self-care measures are the best way to prevent this type of infection. If you have a weakened immune system, it's important to keep yourself safe outdoors. Wearing a mask while doing yard work and also bandaging all the wounds until they heal will help prevent the fungal infections. आप जब भी घर से बाहर निकलें तो मास्क लगा कर जाएं और अगर आपकी शरीर पर किसी भी भाग में चोट लगी है तो उसे बैंडेज से कवर कर लें ताकि बाहर का इन्फेक्शन आपकी बॉडी में एंटर ना कर सके। आपको गर्मी और पतझड़ के मौसम में इससे बचाव की काफ़ी आवश्यकता है, इसलिए आप सावधान रहें क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा फंगस या फंजाई एनवायरनमेंट में इसी समय में फैलते हैं। Right, that's it for the today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you learned something from this video then give a like to it and also subscribe my channel for the further notification. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye and take care of yourself.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.